India, a land of rich history, vibrant cultures, and diverse traditions, celebrates its Independence Day on the 15th of August. This day marks the triumph of freedom over oppression, the accumulation of countless sacrifices made by brave souls who dreamed of a brighter future. As we commemorate this historic day, we also reflect upon the essence of well-being that resonates throughout the nation. Well-being is not merely a state of physical health, but a holistic harmony between mind, body, and spirit. Just as India fought for its independence, we continue to strive for the liberation of our hearts and minds, contributing to the well-being of our fellow citizens. Education is the cornerstone of well-being. As we empower our youth with knowledge, we pave the path for a brighter tomorrow. On this special day, let us not only honor the past, but also cultivate a future where unity, compassion, and progress thrive. As we raise our flags high, let us also raise our hopes and aspirations for a nation that embraces well-being for all. Together, we celebrate freedom. Together, we nurture well-being. Jai Hind.